How to convert XRP to USDT on Binance. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily convert the XRP to USDT on your Binance account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Binance and make sure that you have your account verified. Once you log into it, you're going to have to check how much XRP you have. In order to do that, you can head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you get there, you can find the overview tab, and from there you want to swipe left to spot or the funding tab where you keep all of your cryptos, and there you can check for your XRP. Once you find it, you can go back to your homepage and tap on the convert button here. Once you tap on it, you should select XRP here as from, and then on the to section you can select USDT. Now enter the amount of XRP that you want to convert, and then finally you could just click on the preview conversion button, and here you could easily see an option, and once you tap on the convert, it's gonna successfully convert your XRP to USDT, and it's basically it. That's how you easily convert XRP to USDT on Binance. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. Also, turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads, and I'll see you on the next one.